indeed a privilege to stand here this morning in this very august company of Sri Sasi Kumar Garu, Hemant Kumar Garu, Ramesh Garu, Trinath Rao Garu, Srinivas Garu, and our own family member Subramanian Garu. For me, it's a privilege because I'm first here as a parent and only then as a member of the board. A lot of things that Madhusudan Reddy Garu and Surekha Garu will never say about this institution. I hope I will be able to touch upon 3 or 4 points that you all will take away with you when you come here. The first is that we don't realize how privileged we are till we come and see children like these, or till we have a birth in our house of a child, such a child which society does not term as normal. They are more normal than many of us, and if we spend time with them, we will know how well they can actually take care of certain things and how emotionally they connect with us much more than other children do. They are never going to be adults in the normal sense of the word, and they are never going to be able to do a few things that all of us do on an everyday basis, and hence they are challenged or special. They need our support. And they need our support to feel that they belong here and they are here to be a part of us on an everyday basis. The bus that you gave us will go into the smallest streets to pick up the children. We don't ask for big buses because we need these children to be picked up at the doorstep and dropped back at the doorstep. Somebody responsible from the house has to be able to bring them in and take them back. We also give the parents a chance to go out and work, because if they didn't have institutions like this, parents like me would have to stay at home to take care of our children. Hence, the need for such institutions is very, very, very important. The physiotherapy equipment that you gave us is something that's going to help make many of our children stronger, because these are children who don't understand the need of medical and muscle strength and how important it is to be able to walk every day. Some of them are physically challenged, and that physiotherapy equipment is going to change the way they can actually conduct themselves during their lifespan. The lift will help. Most of the children have now grown into this institution. I, for the last 14 years, have seen children. Pravalika was a baby, would crawl, she would be sitting on the floor, and today she walks with the support of a walker, does her physiotherapy, and take the lift and go up to the 3rd floor where she resides. So that lift has made life very different for many of our children who actually had to be carried up the stairs. So the caretakers, they have had better lives today thanks to the donation made by you and the group that has supported the SBI. The solar energy will definitely cut down on the bills in the longer run, and that's something an institution always needs. And each of these things, as you can see, are going to make a difference to us on an everyday basis. I'd like to thank you all for it. Thank you so much for being here this morning. A lot of us will never say thank you to Surekha and Reddy Garu, but I always do at every occasion that I can, because if I can stand up here today, it's only because of them and the service that they provide. Surekha will know the needs of each and every child, while Reddy Garu does all the legwork to go outside to make this institution run. Surekha knows the need of each and every child, the behavior, the pattern, the medication, the care that's given on time. Everything is done by her and her group of teachers who actually on an everyday basis provide that support. It's amazing that these institutions actually exist. For me, SBI, I go out into the rural areas very often, and the only bank that I see is that of the State Bank of India. So the reach that SBI provides, the care that SBI provides, the last mile connectivity that it helps people to save their money and look forward to a better tomorrow is what SBI means to me. And that is an institution that this country can boast of across the world. I think it is the largest bank across the world. Please correct me if it is the largest bank across the world. So for us to get that large support, that large heartedness from all of you, and for each of you to be here this morning to help go through this is something that we really appreciate. I really look forward to the continued support and how we can actually keep this institution growing with all of your support. Thank you so much this morning. I have not said thank you to one section of people yet, and that is the media. The media is actually going to help us understand these children, going to take us forward into society, make people understand that these children are good, they have to be given good care, they need to be given exposure in society. Thank you for your coverage and also for your support during this occasion. Thank you very much.